Hello, welcome to Omega Business Ideas. Stay tuned for fresh ideas and tips. Finding a profitable business idea. Attention grabber. Most businesses fail because they pick the wrong idea. Do you want to start a business but don't know what idea will actually make money? Watch this. Why choosing the right idea matters. Your business idea determines your success. Points to mention. Profitable idea leads to higher chance of success. Wrong idea leads to wasted time and money. Right idea leads to growth and scalability. Step 1. Look for problems to solve. Start by identifying problems people face. Ask yourself, what problems do I or others face daily? Good business ideas solve real problems. Example: delivery service, online tutoring, cleaning service. Step 2. Check market demand. Is there a market for your idea? Search online, Google Trends, social media, forums. Validate if people are willing to pay for a solution. Avoid ideas with very low demand. Step 3. Analyze your skills and interests. Can you do this well? Combine your skills with business opportunities. Passion plus skill leads to long-term motivation. Example: if you love cooking, start a small food business. Step 4. Study competitors. Know your competition. Look at existing businesses in your niche. Learn what works and what doesn't. Find gaps in the market leads to your opportunity. Step 5. Start small and test. Validate your idea quickly. Launch a small version, then test demand. Collect feedback, then improve. Example: small batch online pre-orders. Subscribe for daily business tips and ideas. Message: every day you learn something new. Your business gets closer to success.